I'm here at Beamer Invasion, and we're with.
Vanessa.
Okay, and where are you here? Where are you here from?
I'm from Port St. Lucie.
How long is that drive?
About 2 hours.
All right, about 2 hours. Okay, you're closer than us. We came in from Atlanta, about 6 hours and some change. Okay, can you tell them a little bit about your car and
Okay, it's a 535i 2008 Burgundy. I haven't done any modification, so I call it the mom's car.
Okay.
My daughter's car is actually Shadow, so I'm the mother to Shadow.
Okay, is her car here?
Yes, her car is here.
Oh, which car is that?
She
And
has,
where is she? Right here?
Yes, that's Shadow.
Okay, all right, we're about to talk to her next.
Yes.
Okay, and how long have you guys been driving BMWs?
I have been driving BMW from 2009.
Okay.
Yes, so I have that car from 2009.
Okay, so did she end up getting into BMWs because of yours?
No,
or?
Daddy wanted her to have a BMW because he says it's more professional.
Ah, okay,
But
okay.
she has modified hers so it works.
Oh, so now it's,
Yes.
okay. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the daughter. We got the mom's perspective on it,
Yes.
and now we're gonna see Shadow is the car?
Yes, so
Okay, cool.
my page is BMW_77.
Okay, I'll make sure I put that on the screen right there so you can follow that page.
Yes.
And then now we're gonna talk to the daughter and see about her car.
Yes.
I appreciate it,
Shadow.
thank you.
Yeah.
How are you doing? We already spoke to your mom, so now we're speaking to you. What is your name? What kind of car do you drive?
I'm Denise. I drive a 535i M Sport. On Instagram, Shadow535i.
Okay, so it's the 5 Series crew going on right now. All right, we already got a little bit of the story on how you ended up in the BMW. Do you see yourself going anywhere else, or is this your forever home? How you feel about it?
I actually want M5. M5 CS would be nice. But I may start off with like an M340 first, and then I probably go to M5.
Okay. All right. So, and which car is yours out here?
Right here. With
Right
Jamaican
here?
flag. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I did indeed lose my front lip a couple weeks ago. So
Oh,
no
yeah?
longer have a front lip, but it's okay. It's okay.
That is okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And is there anything else that you did to the car?
I have a VRSF charge pipe, and I also have a muffler D, and I did like dual exhaust tips instead of the single dual exhaust tips. So
Okay.
you can come look at it. So I added this diffuser, and then I did a dual exhaust tips on each side.
Nice. Okay. And also, I have another question just from the perspective, and how is it being a woman and owning like a car like this? Do you get certain looks from people? Is it intimidating? Do guys try to is this your boyfriend's car? Like, how is it having a car like this
I haven't had
as
the
a woman?
boyfriend's car question, but usually everyone thinks I'm a guy first, and then they'll see me and they're like, oh, you're a girl. And then at least one time I remember I was driving the highway to meet, and I ended up bucking up on a friend who has an X2. And we were doing our thing in traffic, and then as soon as we parked and I got out, he was like, oh my gosh, I thought you were a guy the whole time in traffic. So yeah, but I've been blessed enough to have a group of girls for the Women's Bimmer Club, and they have been absolutely amazing and welcoming, and we support each other, we work on our cars, I throw ideas out there, and as you can see, we're all dressed alike today.
I see.
And I love it, so I
Nice.
have no issues, yeah.
How long have you been a part of the club?
I'm going on 2 years now. I first actually joined the club when I was in New Jersey. And then I am based in Florida. My permanent address is Florida, but I do live in Virginia, so I drove down on Thursday to be here. Yeah, and totally worth it, even though it's raining.
Nice, super dope. I appreciate the perspective. You can let them know where they can find you, follow you, all that.
You can find me on Instagram, Shadow535i. Yeah, and that's it.
All right, sounds good. I appreciate it.